Kolkata workshops for hands-on pain management training. Online flexibility, international accreditation boosting global recognition and standards. Ready to become a pain specialist? Asian Pain Academy offers bite-sized fellowship options and deep dive fellowships for advanced practical learning. For doctors, including anesthesiologists seeking clinical skills, practical skills in pain management and patient-focused interventions, and musculoskeletal ultrasound training for diagnosis and procedures. Pick a 6-month intensive fellowship, clinically focused. It covers basics to advanced intervention techniques, fluoroscopy-guided interventions, training for spine and pain procedures, ultrasound-guided interventions, training for nerve blocks. Online course with focused practical modules and labs. Fee. International participants around $550. India and SAARC rates are much lower. Check current pricing when you apply. Prefer a longer route? 1-year fellowship is hybrid, combining online and hands-on. Includes 2 optional 4-day hands-on Kolkata workshops. Workshop 1 at 6 months into the course. Workshop 2 at the end of the course. Optional 2-month clinical attachment at accredited centers. There's a dedicated 6-month ultrasound-guided procedures fellowship for MDs and MBBS doctors, focused on nerve blocks and MSK interventions. Asian Pain Academy is AAA accredited. That is the American Accreditation Association. Curriculum meets international benchmarks and quality standards. This is a chance to stand out professionally. Build in-demand clinical skills in pain management. Help meet future workforce needs in pain care. Interested? Visit Asian Pain Academy to compare courses and schedules. Apply now. Your next level in pain medicine starts here.